In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix website not allowed in iPhone. So if I were to go to Safari, I have a website blocked here. It's really obvious to tell that I can't actually go on this website. So what happens is sometimes you may have accidentally put this on a blocked list on your iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and unblock it and turn off those types of restrictions. So let's come out of here. What you want to do is navigate to your settings, and you want to scroll down until you find screen time, okay? So after here, you want to scroll down until you find restrictions, and you want to go ahead and click on content and privacy restrictions. Go to App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and then go to Web Content here. And what we're going to do here is you can go ahead and hit unrestricted. Go ahead and hit your passcode, and it's going to unrestrict every single website that you have. We can go ahead and go back on that limit adult websites, and as you see, it may be here. So what you want to do is swipe over and hit delete. But just to make it extra unrestricted, go ahead and click on unrestricted. Why don't we back out of here? And if you really want no restrictions with really anything, not just websites, you can go ahead and toggle off your content and privacy restrictions here. And that way you're going to have full reign and full acceptance of anything you want to watch, download, anything like that. So that's pretty much it. It's really simple and really easy to do with iPhone, but that's how you go about fixing